In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Costco gift card. Whether you're treating yourself or sending a thoughtful gift, the process is quick and straightforward when you know exactly where to click and what to expect. One important note right up front. To buy a Costco gift card online, you must be a Costco member. Have your membership login ready so everything goes smoothly. Start by heading to the official Costco website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in using your Costco membership account. Logging in first ensures you can see the correct options and complete checkout without interruptions. Next, use the site's search bar and type Costco Shop Card. That's the name Costco uses for its gift cards. On the results page, you'll see options for both digital and physical cards. Choose the format that fits your needs. A digital card is delivered by email, which is great for last-minute gifts, or if you prefer something you can access on your phone. A physical card is mailed to a shipping address and is perfect if you want something tangible to hand to someone. After selecting digital or physical, choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Costco typically offers common denominations starting around $25 and going up to $200 or more, depending on the option you selected. Pick the amount, then add the card to your cart. It's a good idea to review your cart before moving on, just to confirm you chose the right type and value. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Here's where you'll enter delivery details. For a digital card, type in the recipient's email address carefully and double-check it to avoid delays or misdelivery. For a physical card, enter the correct shipping address, including any apartment or unit information. Next, enter your payment details. Make sure your billing information matches what your bank has on file to prevent payment hiccups. If you have a promotion or discount that applies, this is typically where you'd see it reflected before you finalize. Once everything looks correct, click Place Order. You should receive an order confirmation from Costco shortly after. If you purchased a digital card, keep an eye on the inbox for the email delivery. Check the spam or promotions folder if it doesn't appear right away. If you chose a physical card, it will arrive by mail to the address you provided. That's it. You've successfully bought a Costco gift card online. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of gifting or spending your Costco shop card.